Hello, this video is going to demonstrate what you can do with Google Docs that have been shared with you to make them easy and convenient to get to. So here's a Google Doc that I've shared from my OASD account to my personal email account to give you a view of what this process would look like. Here I'm going to click on the document title and then that opens up the document. Now essentially Google Documents are one-page websites. So what I could do, and I've already done it here with this one, but what I could do is I could click on this little star, and then what that does is it adds this Google Doc as a bookmark favorite, just like I could do with any other website. And I can pick here to add it to my bookmarks bar. I've already done that, and so my bookmarks bar, I can see here it's filled. I have this little symbol. If I click on that, here you see Hovercam Solo 8 Document Resources. If this is something that I'm going to use more often, I can click on these and I can drag them into a different location if that's more important and I want it to be accessible. So that's the first tip, is you can make a Google Doc a bookmark, because again a Google Doc is basically a website. So that's one thing you could do if it's a document that you're going to access often. Another option you can do is you can add it to your drive. Now this was shared with me, so I have my drive, which are things that I have created, and then incoming, which are documents that have been created by other people. Now if it's something that I want easy access to, because this incoming is just a mass list of things that have been shared with me, if it's something that I'm going to use often, I can go over and I can click Add to my drive. And what that does is it puts it into my Google Drive, which then allows me to put it in one of my files and folders, which then obviously can be a lot easier to find. So here's my OASD account. Here's a whole list of things that are incoming. So I'll click on this zones feeling example. If I click on Add to my drive, here are all of my files and folders, so I can put it directly into one of my files and folders, or if I just click Move, it puts it at the bottom of my drive. Here's all my folders, and here's all my documents that aren't already in a folder, and here you can see this one just showed up. And again, this is still owned by the person that originally made it. If they make a change to it, it will be reflected on this document. All that does is it just puts it in my drive so I can put it into one of my files or folders so it's easier to find. When I'm done with it, if I right click on it, I can remove it. And again, that just removes it from my file. It is still, still available in anyone else's Google Drive that that file was shared with. And I can add it back to mine at any point if I decide to do that. So that's just a few tips on things you can do with Google Docs that are shared with you. You can make them a bookmark by clicking on the little star, or you can go into the incoming section and you can add it to your drive. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks, and have a great day.